Hello dear florists, I'm Andrea Stor and I'm here to help you discover how to have a better life as a florist, simplify your business and achieve safety. I will show you the tips and tricks of the trade, the motivations in the industry and ways in which you can fruitfully develop your business into a successful one. I believe that in order to do what you love for a living, efficiency is essential, so you can improve what you enjoy doing, your flower business. I will tell you a bit about my story and how I got here at the point where I am now. I love what I do and I'm happy with my business. I've represented my country on an important international stages after 8 months from our first event, and I was so proud to do that. In the first year after I started my business, I became known all over the country. It was overwhelming. In the second year, I was the youngest guest at the International Teacher Seminar, and it was a dream come true to me, to be amongst the best in my branch. I've hosted international events with foreign designers. I've learned so much from those experiences. In this 3 years period, I have taught and demonstrating for more than 700 florists, and I was so thankful for those who trusted me. I've been invited to speak about floristry on TV shows and radios, and I love to be the florist's voice. I remember when I started my business 3 years ago, my dreams, my enthusiasm, my goal to raise the florist standards. The biggest challenges I had was when I started my business. I didn't know how to face them. I haven't always worked with flowers. I didn't even dream of working in this industry before. I wish I had this opportunity you guys have, for the guidance, for teaching how to deal with aspects of the business, designing techniques, managing time, dealing with clients, and also organize my team. My journey began 7 years ago. It was the point when I had the first contact with this world. I fell in love with it and wanted to replicate that in my life. But I didn't have the guts to start a business right away. A significant point in my life as a young florist was meeting Thomas de Bruyne 5 years ago, who is an inspiring Belgian floral designer and who motivated me to go further on with my education. I have spent the last year consciously learning and practicing, and I have gathered the expertise and skills through ongoing training, all of which I want to share with you in order to improve your business. In the next video, I want to teach you how to simplify your business and get more pleasure out of it, as you do from creating with flowers, in a pleasant and fulfilling way. Many challenges can keep you back from your career in the world of floristry, but what is the core of any business is the person behind it. On a competitive market, there are many things which florists have to keep up with, from the organizational part of the events and their own business, to design techniques, to knowledge available in order to help you aim higher and higher. Be confident in your ability to become better and overstep whatever holds you back from improving your business. You have to have the courage to charge your life, earn a fair income from your passion, in your education, because remember that this is what will make you a better florist. You have the chance to learn to become a better designer and have an improved relationship with clients and the market. Engage your time and 10% of your resources annually into learning how to turn your business into a profitable and successful one. So in this video, you have learned about my whys in my business, about my goals, my outcomes, and the story of how it all started for me. In the next video, you will learn the exact steps that lead me to the point of my successful career. And so, for the next clip, I will be needing your help. What are the biggest challenges that you think to overcome to be 100% successful in your business? I'll be happy to get your questions and suggestions in the comments box here, and subscribe to be the first and see the next video. There is also a bonus for you, a free tutorial on how to make one of the most voted 2014 bridal bouquets. See you all soon!